My name is Nicola Mineo. I was in a car accident on April 5th, 2013. I was a driver of a brand new 2013 Nissan Sentra. It was only 4 days old. A drunk driver went through the red light at the intersection, hitting me on my driver's side, causing my car to spin and hitting a parked car that was parked on the curb and spinning again. They are very prompt, they take care of you, make sure you feel comfortable, and they make sure they get what you want. Joe Denon had given me a call while I was actually at my house the day I got back from the hospital. He asked me if I was okay and didn't rush to any questions about the accident. It's a very friendly but also professional environment. They make you feel very welcome and they know how you're feeling. Keep in touch a lot. They update you on your case. If you have any questions, they will answer it right away. I never felt like I was lost. I always knew what was going on, and I thought it was handled very well.